XRP is looking extremely bullish at the moment, so it's trading at $1.50, and we got a massive volume at the moment, 11.5 billion in the last 24 hours. BNB is only 2.9, Solana 8.7. So we are going to be going up regardless of the news. So it is a good coin. It is very, very highly suppressed. I call it the Dark Knight. It doesn't stand out too much, but X marks the treasure. And we've got some big news to be talking about. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Spartacus. If you enjoy the video, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button where we only talk about XRP, because XRP is a hidden gem. And I do think it's going to take over Bitcoin. And to take over Bitcoin, it needs to go to $23 to match its market cap. And it will happen. That's my honest opinion. So we'll look at the graph. It is holding strong at $1.49. It peaked at $1.62 not too long ago, and it's kind of concreted this level. And it is a good time to invest. BuyDeFi is the best platform, and we can't hear Gary Gensler anymore. He's gone exceptionally quiet now that Donald Trump is going to become president on the 20th of January. He has going to resign on the same day as Donald Trump. He doesn't want to get fired. We're going to be talking about some big articles. David Schwartz and Brad Garlinghouse have some big words to say at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to the end. So the first article, why the price of XRP could soon reach $10. So the XRP, the crypto of Ripple, has recently experienced a spectacular rise, increasing by over 30% in just 24 hours to reach around $1.45. It's currently trading at $1.49. So several key factors could drive the price of XRP to $10 in the near future. XRP is the future. We know we're going digital. It has been a slow process. Restaurants and franchises aren't accepting cash anymore. It's all becoming mobile era. So Ripple is currently experiencing an incredible rise of $1.45, and several factors could soon send the price of XRP to $10. This is a stepping stone, and when they turn on the switch, it is going to have the God candle. I truly believe that BlackRock is accumulating right under our nose, and they're not going to send the whale alert off. They don't want that to happen. They want all your XRP, and they want to take over the XRP platform because they are closely tied to Ripple. And Ripple is a lot better than the technology of Swift. So XRP is designed to make international money transfers faster and cheaper, unlike traditional systems like Swift, which can take several days. Transactions with XRP are completed in seconds. This efficiency makes it preferred choice for fast and reliable crypto transactions. Additionally, XRP smart contracts enable automatic execution of transactions when certain conditions are met. This thus reduces costs and errors while enhancing trust. So the tokenization and new opportunities for digital assets, XRP facilitates the creation of stablecoins, providing a stable and less volatile option for digital transactions. So it's massive. The Ripple platform also supports the creation and trading of non-fungible tokens or NFTs, allowing creators to sell unique digital items while ensuring efficiency and security. So this ability to issue legitimate tokens helps maintain the integrity of crypto assets. So the advances in decentralized finance, or DeFi, is obvious thanks to the speed of transactions of the solid infrastructure XRP. The algorithmic trading becomes more effective, allowing crypto traders to seize market opportunities instantly. Furthermore, the increasing number of platforms listing XRP enhances its visibility and liquidity, thereby strengthening its credibility and global adoption. It is going to be adopted, and I think it is going to be number one token. All these advancements could very well propel the XRP price to new highs, reaching $10, I reckon higher. My ultimate prediction is to overtake Bitcoin, $23. And I think when they turn on the switch, it's going to go a lot higher than that. However, despite these promising perspectives for Ripple, crypto investors should still remain cautious. Gary Gensler hasn't stepped out yet. We're going to have a look at the Fiat leak. So it is experiencing a large volume of trades all across the world, predominantly South Korea, Japan, and US, and it's going ballistic in Europe now as well. Every single country wants a piece of XRP before it goes to a price in which it isn't affordable. And I really do think it is going to happen within the next 6 months or so. So, four reasons XRP can go absolutely ballistic in the near future. The price of XRP has blasted over 122% higher since election night, vastly outperforming the likes of Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. So it's Bitcoin's 2 trillion. To take over Bitcoin, you have to have a price of XRP at $23, 23 US dollars. So the sector has gone higher as well, as President-elect Donald Trump has positioned himself as a friend to the crypto industry and vowed to make change in favors to the industry and bringing the crypto spotlight back on the US. So while I think the sector can continue to perform well with a more friendly regulatory environment and lower interest rates, XRP is poised to outperform. Here are four reasons why XRP can go parabolic in 2025 and 2024. So welcome to Robinhood. Robinhood is massive. The popular online brokerage Robinhood recently began selling XRP on its platform to its more than 24 million funded customers. So that's a huge number, who have 152 billion assets under custody at the company. So Robinhood has added new tokens to its platform slowly in recent years due to fears of regulatory blowback from the US Securities and Exchange Commission for potentially selling unregistered securities. So it's a load of bogus. However, with Trump expected to shake up the SEC, fewer regulatory concerns should exist when it comes to selling more tokens. So the Robinhood listing should increase retail investors' exposure to XRP because Robinhood is known for its ease of use. So very easy platform, potential spot XRP ETFs. So it's getting a wider broadcast. The launch of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot exchange traded funds led to big run-ups for their prospective prices. Spot ETFs are another way cryptocurrencies can increase their liquidity and exposure. Cryptocurrencies can be more difficult for the average investor because purchasing typically, involves digital wallets and remembering long past phrases. A lot of people forget. ETFs can purchase and traded like stocks are more likely to be offered at various stock brokerages and therefore in retirement accounts. So companies like Bitwise are already preparing to launch spot XRP ETFs, although they haven't been approved yet. Gary Gensler still in the seat. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently said that a spot XRP ETF is inevitable. The end of the SEC lawsuit is a huge one. We already know Gary Gensler is going to be resigning on the 20th before he gets fired. So XRP, Ripple, and the creators of XRP, Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, have been the poster child for the SEC lawsuit that ultimately seeks greater regulatory jurisdiction over cryptocurrencies. The SEC believes it should have more regulatory oversights over cryptocurrencies because many are traded as speculative investments and should therefore be treated as securities. That idea includes burdening crypto networks with additional requirements such as registration with the SEC and reporting obligations. So crypto proponents believe the SEC is overreaching. I really do believe that, and that the cryptocurrencies should be regulated as currencies overseen by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Ripple, its founders, and XRP have been caught in the middle of this argument. In 2020, the SEC sued the parties for alleging selling XRP as unregistered securities in 2013. A judge ruled in favor of the defendants, but the SEC appealed parts of the case. The case should conclude in 2025, and I am not a lawyer, but a favorable outcome seems likely, the writer says. The lawsuit has served as an overhang of XRP's price, so ending the lawsuit once and for all should be extremely positive. XRP has underperformed peers, hence the SEC and Gary Gensler's appeals and all that rubbish. Even after big recent rally, XRP has underperformed peers from the larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to meme coins like tokens like Dogecoin. Part of this is likely due to the lawsuit. However, XRP is one of the early tokens and has compelling use case with its ability to provide companies with faster cross-border payment capabilities. XRP has also fixed supply, which not all cryptocurrencies do. That could make it all potential inflation hedge. So, which could be useful if Trump policies are, inflationary at some economic and economists. Holy, I almost didn't get that one. Due to underperformance, XRP may have more room to run, especially if conditions continue to favorable for the sector. Don't miss a second chance at a potential lucrative opportunity. I do think it's going to get absolutely parabolic, and the lawsuit is pretty much over. We haven't heard anything else from the Ripple and the SEC. Garlinghouse has been exceptionally quiet. So we'll go to the exceptionally interesting videos. This is Brad Garlinghouse talking about the
ETF when. I think we're going to see it.
He's unsure.
ETF when. I think we're going to see it. I think it'll probably be 2025.
Next year?
Yeah, right. Not too far away.
ETF.
So it's coming in hot, and we got Swartz as well. Very interesting.
We hadn't seen before in Bitcoin was proof of work. But the magic, I think, comes from the fact that there is no central operator. All transactions are public. All the transaction rules are public. Anybody can enforce transaction rules. Like that was kind of where the magic was. And so we kind of took it apart. And the use case that we decided to target in the early days was payments. Payments are a multi-trillion-dollar problem. And it seems like cryptocurrencies are just naturally suited to make payments better. And specifically, we kind of focused on cross-border international payments, not because domestic payments are great, but because it's cross-border payments are the worst. Like if anyone who's made an international payment probably has stories of bad experiences. And so the worse the thing you start with, the less amazing you have to be better. And I think we can eventually be amazing and sort of take over the payments world, but we're not going to be there day one. And so if we can't succeed against the worst part of the problem, why are we bothering?
Compound witness. And that is all from Crypto.
The piece we hadn't seen.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Brad Garlinghouse and Swartz are talking in riddles. You don't understand the riddle. They're going to be massive, and it is only a matter of time before we become number one. That is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.